Look, they get name-checked, but you are seeing a folding in of the software within ChatGPT. It's almost a bit of a lifeline when we were worried that some of these companies were going to be made redundant in some way by OpenAI.
Yes, absolutely. There's been a lot of concern that OpenAI or these other large language models would really start to eat the lunch of these more established legacy software companies. We saw all kinds of mentions yesterday, other companies including HubSpot, Salesforce, is really going on down the line. And I think there's a little bit of relief that OpenAI might be working with these companies, integrating them into its service, as opposed to just, offering sort of competing services that might really represent a strong force of competition for them. So yeah, these kinds of mentions, we really saw some immediate spikes yesterday, really across sectors, across the market. Online travel companies, even Mattel, saw a little bit of a pop after it was mentioned in its a demonstration of Sora, the video generation service.
And you reflect in your piece about how if OpenAI has the golden touch, in AI it's really been NVIDIA that's been the golden ticket and had a similar effect on other stocks.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is something that we've been seeing for as long as AI has been a major theme in markets. And of course, in addition to all the companies we've been talking about, obviously yesterday we had the huge jump in AMD on the back of the news with OpenAI. We had last month huge gains in Oracle. So certainly this has been a trend. All these companies that are really seen at the cutting edge of AI, anything that sort of like has any kind of connection to them, we do see stock reactions. Now, in many cases, the stocks pulled back today. I mean, you mentioned Figma, maybe up still, but I noticed Salesforce was down, some of these other stocks down today. So it's not proving to be a lasting bounce, but certainly just a mere excitement. It seems like it's getting a lot of people, at least in the short term, excited.